Hi Gemini, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for September. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump and see what this month has in store for you. The first card that I see for you is the Knight of Pentacles, the Three of Cups, and the Knight of Swords. Person B has the Page of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, and Two of Pentacles. So they have all three Pentacles energy. Now we'll also see what is the mutual feeling that both of you have, what is the blockage in the relationship, and what is the outcome of this relationship. Now bottom of the deck I have the Knight of Cups. With the Knight's energy, that's not a very stable energy. However, this person wants to rush in and express their feelings and emotions to you. Now what I see here for you is you have the Knight of Pentacles energy, which means that you are moving very slowly. You're moving so slowly that this other person feels that you're not interested, you are not putting in any effort as such. The other two cards that I see is the Three of Cups with the Knight of Swords. With the Three of Cups, there could be a third party situation for some of you, or it could also mean that you are getting invitations for maybe some social gatherings, okay, and over there could be people around you who would like to, maybe go ahead and flirt with you as well. Now with Knight of Swords, you want to go ahead and rush in and tell your person, okay, that this is the case and this is exactly what happens. So you want to rush in and tell your person this before they find it out on their own. Now person B here has the Page of Pentacles with the Seven of Pentacles and Two of Pentacles. With Page of Pentacles, this person has an immature energy. However, with Pentacles, they want to start small, but they want to eventually build this relationship. At one point in time, with Two of Pentacles, this person will have two options and they will have to choose. And they understand that in order to decide what they exactly want, they will have to be a little more patient to understand what exactly works for them in their life, and they can't rush it. Now let's see what's the mutual feeling that both of you have. That's the Two of Swords. It means that both of you either could be having options, or this person has some option B. It could be another person, it could be another situation, but that is something which is trying to confuse them, okay. They're not able to decide what to do in this current situation. Let's also see what is the blockage is that both of you have. That is the Page of Cups. With that, it's an immature energy, but with the Cups energy, it means that maybe emotions have taken a backseat here, okay. This person doesn't want to go ahead and do things, okay, because they don't want to feel emotions right now. Let's also see what is the intention of this person. Eventually the outcome for this is Eight of Cups. Now with Eight of Cups, okay, this person will walk away, or it could be that both of you will walk away from this situation into totally different directions, or whatever is interfering, okay, in this relationship, you will walk away from that particular scenario or that person. Again, totally depends on your individual situations. Now let's see what is the intention here. The intention that I see is the Hierophant, the Death card, and the Justice card. All three major arcanas again. This Hierophant means that this person is either dealing with a Taurus, or they could be in that energy where they want to go ahead and take this forward towards marriage. For some of you, this person could already be married, and with the Death card, it means there's some transformation required. This transformation could be connected to a legal case as well. For some of you, if this person is going through a divorce, then that is the transformation that they are waiting for, because they know that they can't move forward with you until and unless they don't go ahead and close the previous chapter. Now let's also see what is the Moonology Oracle cards message for both of you. So the message that I see for both of you is a time for healing. It means that this is not the correct time to put in any action, okay. Don't take major harsh decisions right now. It's the time to heal, step back, just self-reflect and give it some time. There are times in life when you should not do anything. You should just give it some time and let nature do its work. So that's the message for you. Let's also quickly see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal is celestial quartz. The crystal message is, are you ready to release blocks for yourself and Mother Earth? Do you realize that your own healing helps heal many people on a planetary level? Allow these celestial messages to guide you to be a true earth steward and caregiver of the planet. You are the messenger of light and well-being. Now there's also a message here from Archangel Sandalphon. I'll put that in the description box for you. You can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe. Hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe. Love yourself first.